In this two-part series, I'm going to talk about open our eyes. In 2 Kings chapter 6, verse 16 and 17, it says, "And he answered, Fear not, for they that be with us are more than they that be within." This is Elisha speaking. He says, "And Elisha prayed and said, Lord, I pray thee, open his eyes, that he may see. And the Lord opened his eyes of the young man, and he saw. And behold, the mountain was full of horses and chariots of fire round about Elisha." What I want to talk about is opening our eyes, Lord, to look at the enemy first of all, to see who is against us. Ephesians 6 and 12 says, "For we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against rulers of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places." What Christ is telling us here, we don't necessarily battle so much with the things of this world, with the things of warfare, but more or less with ourselves. We battle more with the flesh than we do anything else, against the principalities, against these powers and darkness. What Elisha here is saying, he says, hey, Lord, open his eyes to see who his enemies are, to see what he has to be fighting, so he can more prepare himself. And I'm asking God to open our eyes, as Elisha asked God to open this young man's eyes. He said, hey, let him look. Open eyes, let him see what's going on. So when we get a grip with who we're fighting, when we get a grip with Satan that's fighting us, and the demons all around us, then we can understand more and ask God to help us, specifically help us. If you don't know that you have the enemy, you'll sit there and you'll lose against the fight. But if you can see that enemy and you can pursue after him, as Christ wants us to, we'll be able to conquer and win.